Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, that is Azhar Technical Zone. So in this YouTube video we are going to discuss about the EOT. EOT means extension of time. This is a very common practice in construction which is known as extension of time. This is also known as time impact analysis. So we will see what is extension of time. In construction, basically extension of time refers to a formal request made by a contractor to the client or project owner to extend the agreed upon the completion date of a construction project. Here completion date means it refers to the baseline which we have submitted earlier in the project. It is a mechanism that allows for additional time to be granted beyond the original contracted time frame. It means the baseline which we have submitted to the client to complete the project with these all milestones which we have discussed and got approval from the client. So if any force majeures or uncertainty things which causing delay of the completion of the project, so at that time we will submit extension of times. Several factors can contribute to the need for an EOT. This may include unforeseen circumstances such as adverse weather conditions, unexpected site conditions, changes in scope or design, delays caused by third parties, or any events that are beyond the contractor's control and could not have been reasonably foreseen or prevented. As we know, I just want to add another one delay causes which recently the whole world which we have faced, that is COVID-19 outbreak. So in that COVID-19 outbreak, around 2 years we lost. As I'm working in my company, here also we faced extension of time just because of the COVID outbreak. So the client or project owner reviews the EOT request which you have submitted to the client with all backup documents and assess its validity and impact on the project timeline. If the request is deemed justifiable and reasonable, an extension of time may be granted. And that is also based on the conditions. Adjusting this project schedule accordingly, the EOT may also result in adjustment to the project aspects such as the payment schedule or liquidated damages if it is applicable in the project. It is important to note that the process of granting an EOT involves a lot of negotiation between the contractors and the client. Like negotiation documentation will be there and agreement between the contractor and the client. It is essential and it is very significant for the both parties, the contractors and the client, to communicate effectively and fairly to ensure that any delays are properly assessed and managed in the best interest of the project successful of completion. Whenever we are going to submit a EOT, at that time we need to provide a proper documents, means why we required EOT and how many delays impacted to the project which is causing delays and which is revising the completion date of the project. And basically that there are two types of EOT which I have categorized. One is compensation with the time and cost loss. It means the compensation with the time means we need time with the cost, means the cost which is incurred and which we have given like salaries and to our manpower and the cost which is incurred in the resources. All those things we will claim along with extension of time to the client. And the second type is with time or with cost, either time either the cost. So this is what the extension of time. The detailed video on this extension of time we'll see in our next video. Till then, thank you. Bye.